Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Xiaomi Mi Band 8 fitness tracker or smart band, and this time we are going to check on the features for the watch face, okay? Particularly the always on display and other options, okay? Let me show it to you the settings for the watch face. So we have here the band display and the display. So we are going to check on this and how the option works, okay, with the Mi Band 8. Okay, so we'll see. We'll try to set some settings on this fitness tracker. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Okay, as you can see here, we have downloaded a watch face. Okay, so this one, it supports always on display function. Okay, if you are going to check on the support app, okay, so we have here our support app, the Mi Fitness. Okay, when you tap on the band display or the watch face, it will load several watch faces here. Almost all of the watch faces here, I think, supports always on display, except for the custom watch face. Okay, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, for example, we have here Brave and Bold one. When you tap on it, it will show you the home screen and the always on display equivalent. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, for example, this one, it's an analog yin yang. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. So 18 MB, and we have here the watch face. Okay, so let's try. Okay, here there's an instructions to use always on display on your wearable device. Go to settings, display, and turn on always on display. So tap on apply. It will download the watch face. As you can see here, just 18 MB. Okay, very lightweight. So I will not turn off the cam here. Let's just wait for it to download. Okay, and we have here the watch face. Okay, so when the screen turned off, as you can see here, the always on display is not activated. Okay, you have to go first to the settings. Go to the settings here, tap on display, then activate always on display. So you have an option here. You can put a time or just put the smart, okay, feature. Turning on always on display may have battery life. Okay, race to wake will be turned off. Continue. Okay, so it's now activated. So let's see. Okay, so the display will turn off in 5 seconds, as you can see, but there's no always on display. Why is it that there's no always on display? Okay, so if you are not wearing the fitness tracker, okay, it will not show the always on display. It is a smart feature to save you battery life. Okay, so again, let's try to tap to activate. Okay, let's see. So it will detect that I'm wearing. Okay, so as you can see here, we do have the always on display. Okay, if I move my finger, okay, and of course it will activate again and it will turn off, and as you can see here, we don't have the always on display. Okay, again, so it detects that I'm wearing it. Okay, and the always on display is activated. Okay, so it's a very good smart feature to save you battery life. Okay, other options here in the smartwatch, we also have, I think this is also a good one. We do have the auto lock, of course, automatic brightness, raise to wake. Okay, so you can activate it if you don't like the if you don't like the always on display, screen on for 5 minutes if you want to make it longer, and of course this will reduce your battery life. It is advisable not to use it. Just activate this one. I think this one is much better. Okay, auto lock. Then we have here cover to sleep off. Okay, let's activate this one. For example, we have on your display here, okay, you have an auto lock of 10 seconds, so it will take some time, okay, to deactivate the screen or to turn off the screen. You can use your, okay, hand to, okay, turn off the screen display, as you can see here. So you don't need to wait, or you didn't need to wait for 10 seconds. Just cover the screen with your hand, and it will check that you want to turn off the screen display. Okay, so let's try again. So cover, and that's it. So it is activated. The always on display is activated. It will turn off the screen display. Okay, again, if you are not wearing it, okay, the always on display is not activated. Again, so it's a bit tricky. Okay, if you are wearing it and you want the screen to turn off right away, you don't have to wait for 10 seconds. Just cover the screen here, and that's it. It's activated. Okay, so another feature is of course, the wake. Okay, flip your wrist or raise to wake, okay, the display screen. Okay, so we have here always on display is on. Turning on raise to wake will reduce battery life. Turn on anyway. Okay, you have here the time. Okay, the always on display. Again, let's check. Okay, so display, auto lock, always on display. If you activate this one, it will disable the raise to wake. So the scheduled. Okay, so if you want the raise to wake to activate 24/7, to be activated 24/7, you have to set it 0 to 0. Okay, so let's check. Settings, display, cover to sleep on. Let's see if this thing works. And okay, so it works. Okay, so again, let's wait. Okay, turned off. Okay, so the always on display works, as well as the raise to wake display works also. And what else? You have auto brightness, it also works. Auto lock, again, 5 seconds to 5 minutes. And cover to sleep on, which is a very cool feature, also works. Again, the always on display, okay, to activate this, you have to wear your fitness tracker. Okay, it can sense that you are wearing the fitness tracker. So that's it for the different options and features for the watch face of the Mi Band 8. So if you have any questions regarding this video, just drop a comment below. Bye.